Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pure Shade. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, I just want to show you guys a vegan breakfast slider. So let's go to the kitchen. As for the ingredients, you're going to use a sweet potato, Roma tomatoes, some vegan sausage, sea salt, avocado oil, arugula, and your variety of sauces. So we're going to go ahead and prep the oven, set the oven to 400 for the sweet potato and vegan sausage. Go ahead and slice your sweet potatoes into a circular shape for the patty. And you can go ahead and slice up the tomatoes and set them aside for later. So you're going to go ahead and drizzle some avocado oil and sea salt on both sides of the sweet potato. To save time, I've added the vegan sausage on the same pan, which will make it easier and quicker. Just remember to take the vegan sausage out before the sweet potato is done. So you're going to go ahead and place the sweet potato and vegan sausage into the oven. You're going to set it for about 20 minutes. Just remember to take the vegan sausage out before the 20 minutes because it's actually supposed to be on 375 for about 13 to 16 minutes. About halfway through, you're going to flip the vegan sausage and the sweet potatoes to make sure you cook both sides thoroughly. As you see here, I was struggling a little bit, but I got it done. Here are some sauces that you can actually put on the slider. And your meal is done. I hope you enjoy. I've shown here the two types of sauces that I use. They're both delicious. Again, enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about the vegan sliders. Be you, think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.